Well, welcome to the new video. It's the forecast. Well, it's not much to show, but it's gonna get quite warm next week. Got ourselves, well, it cools down a bit for the start of the weekend there. Only 24 on Saturday, with a 30% chance of showers Saturday night. And then Sunday, begin to warm up again, and then by mid next week, we get it back up to low mid 30s. But yeah, it's looking pretty glum for the next little while. But way later on in June, late next week, it might get going on some intermittent thunderstorm potentials. But we'll see. I'll see you guys later on. Here is the forecast. Oh Jesus, nice focus. Come on, there we go. So, tomorrow's gonna be a little active, I guess you could say. Gonna mix of sun cloud, becoming cloudy in the noon with a 30% chance of showers late in the afternoon. Winds becoming northwest 20 gusts and 40 in the morning, then become increasing 40 to 60 in the afternoon. So it's gonna be a little windy tomorrow. Even got a little humidex value of 27. It's a high of 25. And then Saturday night, a 40% chance of showers there. And then we warm back up again. So a little reprieve in the heat before we go on a longer extension. But yeah, I might get a little gusty today as well. Winds becoming northwest 30 gusts and 50 this afternoon. So far it's pretty good. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. Yeah, I'll just do a little temperature update here. 31 degrees today. It's going to be the peak of the week. And then next week it'll even get warmer than this. But yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's fucking boring for the next week or so. Oh Lord. This is the forecast. So, scroll down a bit. This is what we're looking at. Got some winds today still. It's already gusty right now, so it's a good start time from Environment Canada. And then tonight, a 6% chance of showers late this evening and after midnight, with winds northwest 40 gusts and 60 becoming light this evening. And then again, winds get a little gusty tomorrow out of the northwest beginning in the morning, 30 gusts and 50. And a 30-degree humidex value. Afterwards, dries out. Warm and dry. Otherwise, there's maybe a chance of a thunderstorm threat or two next week, probably on the 22nd, 23rd, whenever those days are. I believe that's Tuesday and Wednesday. So, yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys probably later on today. Oh, and I should probably scroll just down, show the rest of this, even though it's really not much. 32, 32, 34. And no sign of it breaking down. I got a bad feeling for this wildfire season, but we'll see. We'll see. We've had these times, and then they never came to be. 2019 was one of them. So, yeah. Now, I'll see you guys later on today. Probably. Oh, shit. Holy crap. How about a rain gauge? It's already blown off. That rain gauge is good. Yeah. Forgotten our winds. A little strong sometimes. And birds are flying away. That's a good sign. Oh my lord. Holy. Some of the strongest winds I think we've gotten in ages. Holy crap. Fucking jeez. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Oh, here we go. They're gonna lose that. They're gonna so lose that. Holy shit. Oh my lord. These random gusts just been like that and fucking are just insane. Fucking hell. Windy today was expected? Yes. This intensity? Holy shit. Holy fucking hell. Holy. Everything is just fucking going. What the hell? Very potent shortwave trough movement there. Fucking hell. Oh my god, it's gonna still get going. Holy shit. This is insane. Thunderstorms are still better, but this is susceptible. Oh my lord almighty. We're going for 70s here. These is easily 70s. At the surface or 10 meters above the surface. Either way, there's 70k. Fucking hell. gotta have water in it. I don't know how that's still standing. Holy Christ. Oh, here we go. Holy. Oh my God, not again. Jesus. I forgot my cash rod. Fucking hell. Everything. Holy shit. Like, these are some of the strongest winds this year. Holy fuck. Cash was out wide. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, Jesus. Fucking hell. Holy crap. Oh my God. Piece of wood. Fucking hell. This is not even done yet. Garbage here. Oh my God. Look at the dust down there. Dude, that thing's gonna get fucking destroyed. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's relentless. Oh my Lord Almighty. Shortwave drops, man. They got it going for them. You give these little, you get these little cold fronts at the surface. It just goes insane. 25.7, you can't see that, there you go, 25.7. My God, and we're still not out of this. Oh my Lord. Everything is just fucked over here. Oh my God. Like, I think almost every single, only things that haven't moved are those chairs. It's like, those are the only things that haven't moved are the chairs. Otherwise, everything else is just look at this. My Lord. I just looked down here. I didn't even look down here. Oh, there's a little branch on the ground there. It doesn't look like any big branches other than what's right fucking there. Over there. I don't see any. I can only assume there's some sort of tree damage somewhere. This is insane. But I'm not going to go over to that place I usually check out tree damage, because that place is probably filled with homeless people probably at this time, so it's not worth risking myself going there. Listen to that. Oh God, here we go. Wow, good bajillion. Jesus. You're whistling. Oh my Lord. Fucking hell. God almighty. When I thought it was going to get windy today, I thought it was just going to be like, 50, 60, kind of gusty winds, gusty, riding the line on strong. I kind of say strong's around 60k. I wasn't expecting, probably about 70. There's a fucking rat right there, I just saw that. You didn't see that, but I saw that. There's a fucking rat right there. Fucking hell. Jesus. Holy crap. Whoa. Leaf flew in here. Holy Christ. It's probably not gonna end up to this fucking shower. That line of showers moves in. This is insane though. Dust over there. Oh my god. Fucking hell. It's a bloody dust storm over there. Let me check this out. My god. How is all that's broken off is that branch all the way over there? Fucking hell. All the leaves over here though. This is ridiculous. I expect a bunch of branches in the morning. My god. Looks like the winds have simmered. Not stopped, but simmered. But it looks like this, whatever this is going to be, this is looking very interesting over here. It looks like probably based off the high amounts of shear, probably steep lapse rates and minuscule, probably very minuscule instability. Bingo. Rat. Well, I could get a little small hail out of it if it's strong enough. My lord. That was insane. It's mostly done now. Jesus, sorry. To put this away, what was the amount? Like, I can tell you right now, that's not true. 25.7 doesn't even take me off my feet. Oh, okay. Hello. Gusty boy. Jesus. Oh, balls. Just can't wait till this line of showers moves in. It's gonna be something else. I feel it already. Look at this. I should have brought my other camera, but I mean, on low light situations, it's not as good. I can tell you right now, what you're seeing right now is probably about the same as what I'm seeing, even just slightly a bit brighter. Oh my lord, look at this. I'm gonna bring my other camera. I'm gonna switch. Alright. Oh my god, this camera's a lot brighter than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, see, this is what sucks at low light situations. It over exaggerates the brightness. Either way, just look at this though. Zooming it in fixes it. Oh yeah, zooming it in does everything. Just look at this. That is a very low shelf cloud right here. And we just went under probably the outflow part of this. And basically this is what's behind it. Holy crap. So it's not that cold yet still, even though these are in the northwest. It's going to get cold very soon though. Oh my god, look at this. This is going to go bonkers in a second. I can tell you right now, these winds are going to have another brief kick up. Just like they are right now. They're starting to briefly kick up. I don't expect them to get probably as strong as before, but it wouldn't hurt if it could be. I'm not going to worry about the chair. So I'm just worried about that thing flying into the fucking table over there. Oh my lord, yeah, it's going to briefly kick up here a bit again. Probably to, I'm going to guess slightly lower caliber. Slightly lower, it doesn't change anything. Probably about the same, honestly. Here we go again. Round 2. Like, this is like actual round 2. I don't think putting that shit back was going to make a difference. I thought it was done for. Even though I was doing it while I was saying it's going to probably whip in. Oh, fuck, you know. Jeez. Get this before it goes off the edge. Just leave the chair here. Oh my god. Holy crap. This ain't fucking around, that's for sure. We're moving over it right now. The winds are gonna get rainy here in a bit. It looks like it. And sounds like it's gonna get windier again. Oh my lord. Here we go again. Holy crap. A dribble drop. I felt it on my finger. Smell it too. Oh my lord. Really just going for it. Just give me its all on this final one here. Very similar caliber. Look at that over there. Looks like it's moving slow, but it's just it looks like that. Like I just said, just looks like that. When in reality, it's pretty sure it's just the clouds. It's because it's the motion, the
leading edge of the clouds are, while behind it, it's actually moving right this way. Oh my lord. What's wrong? Get down there. You can hear the fucking... Man. Just looking down there, it's this whole wall of water down there, it looks like. Or I might be deceiving myself, I can't even tell anymore. It's so hard to tell what this thing really is. Looks like the leading edge of something, that's for sure. Something frontal, probably. Something precip, mix of the two. I'm just starting to see, I can't tell. Looks like sky from the bottom of it. Right at the leading edge of it, but I can't really tell. Looks like it's gonna come down in a heat blow, as you can see. It's not that far off the precip, what? It's right down there. Mind you, we've been in the hole the whole entire time, so... I think for wind events, I'm going to have to take the harsh route and put it in the ground because sticking it in is not working. But for like casual rain, whenever I least expect this caliber, yeah, I guess I got to put it properly up. God, this is blowing though. Look at that down there. It's like almost a shelf cloud right down there developing. Look at that. It's starting to drizzle. Look, seriously. That looks like a shelf cloud developing right under that. Whatever that thing is. Right leading edge of the heavier precip, maybe. Something. It's definitely a shelf cloud. My God. Just went from summer to fucking spring in 2 minutes. Weather in 2 minutes. In fucking a couple... one day. My lord. Fucking hell. Jesus. Well, it doesn't look like it's going to be any of that initial stuff I was thinking, but so it's going to be a decent pour in a second. Holy crap. not fuck around with upper level things, man. Jesus. Oh god, this is gonna be a big one. This is gonna be a big one, isn't it? This way. Oh, this feels like it's gonna be a big one coming in soon. Oh my god, my brain gauge is just completely dislodged. Fucking hell. Because it's on a hook. Fucking hell. That thing would be gone. Would have been gone not too long ago. Jeez, it's non-stop. Jeez. Lord. Wow. Can't say for sure that is the end, but feels like we're nearing it. This is what it looks like down here. It's dark as shit down there. Lights going off again. Now it's a light rain. Think we can feel it. I think I'm going to stick the thing in now. Winds have mostly subsided. Holy, look at all this crap here. It just looks like a bunch of leaves. Little twigs. This was the piece I was talking about. Yeah, it wasn't. That's a small branch again. As for down there, I can't really say. Till morning, I'm not gonna go down there. I don't feel like it. Doesn't look like it anyways. It's not worth my time. Man, that was a wind event and a half. Oh, look at that. Another piece. just fell from the... So there's actually a lot more up there. Probably hooked onto branches. Just hanging about up there. God. I'd hesitate to guess probably the look like the 7 carats in that. Fucking hell. Decent little wind event. Decent little wind event there. Nothing big, nothing small. But nah, I wouldn't say it's small, but I wouldn't say it's big. I'd say it was pretty decent size though. Here's the forecast. Alright. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. So Wednesday got a 30% chance of showers during the nighttime hours. That's going to be a thunderstorm threat, believe it or not. And then that warm up that occurs. Jesus Christ. Fucking Saturday. Friday warms up to 35 with a low of 19. Saturday it warms up to 37. This is June. We're not even in fucking July yet, and we're already getting to those 40 degree numbers. Fucking hell. Oh, and it gets even better with the weather network. Here, get that going here about now. Just look at the state of this forecast. Oh, Jesus, it's gonna do this to me. Okay. Stupid ad. It's doing this. Just look at the state of this forecast. There's your 37 degrees on Saturday. I'm pretty consistent with that. Actually, the Weather Network and Environment Canada are pretty consistent with that last couple days there. Either way, it's next week, the start of next week. Look at that. 30% chance of thunderstorms, 60% chance of thunderstorms, 60% chance of thunderstorms. Well, not but still. All on days. This is supposed to feel like 40. Well, no, 39, sorry. 39. And there's your 60% there. And there's your other 60 there. Just fucking hell. And they don't even have the Wednesday. They don't even have Wednesday. So there's going to be little perpetrations every so often in this ridge that we're going to be under. And they're going to give us some decent thunderstorm threats, especially with the heat. And even a slight bit of humidity that'll be in place. Opting, hopefully it's not smoky as fuck. Hopefully it's not smoky by any means. Not even local. Just clear. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. So here's the forecast. Fucking hell, it's hot. So we'll start off with this bit here. Today, 33 with a human X value of 35. And Jesus Christ, the human X value, 11. Tomorrow, nice high of 35 with a human X value of 37. And then winds becoming southwest 20, gets into 40 near noon. And then Wednesday cools down a slight bit there, 33 degrees. But then a nice low of 20 degrees. That's feels so nice. And then Thursday cools down even further, 29. Get a little bit, maybe a slight thunderstorm threat there, maybe for Thursday. Won't be any. We won't probably get anything but maybe some ridge top stuff. And then this is where it gets fucking insane. And poof. Right after that cool down, Friday 33. We start the rebound there. Friday 33, 20 degree low. Saturday 38 degrees with a low of 22. Sunday then again 38. One of those days is going to hit 40. One of those days. Unfucking believable. Unbloody real.
But yeah, the weather networks is quite similar, so I'm not showing theirs. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys probably later on today. Here's the current temperature. Nice 33 degrees. It's gonna probably get, based off this, probably get up to 35 tomorrow. Probably seems reasonable. Yeah. If it gets warmer, decent bit warmer, I'll give you guys another update. But otherwise, I'll either see you guys with that a little bit later on today or tomorrow morning. Yeah. Here's the forecast. Today's warm. I mean, I'm up at a horrible time. I'll show you guys the current temperature right now and set out the Castrol. See how warm it gets. But yeah, 35 today. Humidity value 37. I never believe in that. Wednesday, it's going to be 30% chance of showers late in the afternoon, 33 degrees. It's just going to be a thunderstorm threat. I assume they have a day 2 outlook. I'll check that later and show you guys if we're in it. And Wednesday, we got 30% chance of showers there. Wednesday night, 30% chance of showers, but a low of 20. Thursday cools out even further there, 29. But then it quickly rebounds there, 33 for Friday, low of 20. Just Wednesday there again without showers. And yeah. And then the weekend's a nice toasty 38 degrees as daytime highs, and then 22 low for Saturday night and 21 low for Sunday night. And then it starts cooling down a little bit from there from Monday, 36. Cooling down really, not the right word to use, but the only one that I really can use. And then you got the weather network's forecast here. They're going all in. And honestly, theirs isn't too far-fetched, sadly. Even though it's only fucking June. But theirs is offset from Environment Canada's. They're saying it's going to start warming. Well, it starts warming up Friday, but it stays warming up until Sunday, and then peak is Sunday, Monday. Environment Canada is saying peak is the weekend. So, I mean, either way, though, Sunday looks like our best day for 40 degrees. And then Tuesday there, 30% chance of showers, whatever. But yeah, 40 degree highs being forecasted. Humidex values, 43 there. Oh my god, okay. I was going to say if we could get any higher than that. But yeah, 43 degree highs. Humidex values. Oh lord. It's going to be fun. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Yeah. Oh, here we go. It's a nice toasty 34.3 and still rising. Looking like we'll get into the 35. Looks like we'll hit about 35 today. We'll see. But it's looking very promising. Yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today for the temperature updates. The Environment Canada's outlook doesn't have a thunderstorm threat for us tomorrow, so big up. Alright, so oh shit. I'm trying to hold it. There we go. So it is about 34. Yeah. So inside, it's still, that thing says it's 34.2. So. Yeah. It says it's 38, 33.8, 33.9. It's about basically 34. So it's about a respectable. So once the breeze kicks up, it actually even warms up. The breeze is actually warm. It's not even a dry breeze. It's not even a cool breeze. It's a warm breeze. Look at that. It's even warmer than what the fucking thing says inside. It's even warmer than the other thing. Oh, Jesus. Well, I mean, heavier the breeze, though, obviously it's going to be cooler. But the light breeze is so warm. There we go. So now you can see it's cooling down. Yeah. But yeah, it's about 34. Wow, this ain't good. Fucking, it's windy, it's dry, it's hot. Fucking hell. And I knew this wouldn't stay up. It's not even that breezy, it's like maybe 40 k's. Jesus. Cherry's gonna fall. Fucking hell. Okay. Jesus breeze. Fucking hell. Ooh, there we go. Jesus. Don't typically get these hot and breezy days, but they're not normal. They happen, but they're not typical for this time of the year. Mind you, it's never usually this hot during this time of year, so. Breeze loves to come from behind, even though it's a southwesterly for some reason. Ooh, decent breeze coming in. Decent gust, I should say.